All right, I've removed all the necessary parts. All that's left, if you look at the pictures, I hope they came through. I'm just ready now to pull the engine. Hey, kind of put your bolts and things back in, you know, like where they go. There's the muffler ones right here, you know, there. Any bolts that you take off of anything, put them back. And also, anytime you use any kind of a socket, put them in a location. That way we know these are all the ones that we went through and used. So all the wires are off. Now, here comes the nightmare that I'm just not sure about. This. Boing. Some people use like a string to pull it. Last time I did this, I used a, because here's a bolt. Up in there is where one of the engine bolts are. So it's hard to get to. You have to move. Look at the thing. Anything you see it up in there, it's ridiculous. Yeah, see? Right up in there. I used like a block and stuff. But what that caused, see this, I guess you'd call that a guide right here. Well, that bent on me, I didn't notice it. So that this, your PTO, like that, would slip around there and it pulled all the wire off. It was a mess. All right, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to do that. I'm having a bit of a trouble with this guy. But I had this really this cute helper. Hand me that tool right here. Hand me that, give me that wrench here. Okay, yeah, that one there. Okay. Thank you. Anyway, I don't know. I know eventually, you know, it'll come. But that's my headache right now. Well, gosh darn, the belt is off. So, that bolt still up under there, and I can't seem to figure out a way just yet to pull back and get a wrench or a socket up in there. I'll still work on it. Yeah, crazy. To get that last bolt out of there, I had to go like this. It's kind of stupid and strange, but it's okay. Take this, put it back there. See, it goes back. Put it back in here. See there? Right, then I pushed. I pushed it just a minute, honey. I pushed this all the way back. Okay, and then I stuck this 4-inch right in here, up in here like that, up in there, and then that gave me room. That gave me. I'm getting dusted here. Hi, what you doing? Okay. That gave me room to get that out of there. I tried this, man. I can't pull by myself. Oh gosh. Oh, go show Grandma. Oh no. Go show Grandma what I did. I accidentally touched you. I got you dirty. Hurry up. Oh, Grandma's gonna get mad at me. I tried really hard to get this, pull different ways by myself. Just impossible. I guess maybe if I had a second person here with me. And I don't think that had done much anyway. I just don't think so. I don't know. I even wondered about, well, what if you loosened up the bolt? Would that just mess things up? Or is that how you adjust the tensioner? Gosh, lots of things to learn here and try. Bye. So emptying the oil out so I can turn it over. But you know what's really confusing to me? Really confusing. Is that's the oil I get, clear and clean. After I pour it in, it starts leaking out. Well, why am I not getting dirty oil as a leak? Or is it just because it cleans up on top? You know, like on top of the pan? I don't know. It's weird. Ugh, Texas tea. No, not. Well, yeah, it is probably. There you go. She's pulled. And that's what I did also. I always put all my bolts back in their location so we don't lose them. Also, the little cotter pin here. Yeah, put him back too so I don't lose him. And even put the little bolt back on the governor. Clean it up a little bit. Yeah, right here is where the filter was. Okay. And so this is the area right here. You see, she just pouring out of there. There's no way I could have fixed that like I wanted to with the steel putty. If it had been like up in here, I probably could have puttied that off. But as you can see, it kind of all through here. Yeah, darn it. And I mean, look at the gasket stuff. It's just brittle. Ugh, I'll clean that up. And also, I tipped it over to empty the oil, and this came out, so I'm hoping that's the right location for that. I tried to put it in the other way and it didn't go down like that, so it must be the right location. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm just waiting for my gasket to show up. Then I'll put it all back together and test it. Pray for me.